Hi, I'm Chuck Ewing, owner, CEO of the Appliance Factory. I've been in the appliance business almost 40 years. I'm going to talk to you about why you'd want a counter depth refrigerator. This is a full depth refrigerator. Look how deep this is. Way back here. You can put stuff back there, but you lose it, you forget about it, and you wonder, what is that in the back of my refrigerator? Counter depth refrigerator. That's the way to go. So a counter depth refrigerator, what does that mean? That means the refrigerator does not stick out from the counter. This is a non-counter depth refrigerator, sticks out. If you want your house to be worth more, you get a counter depth. Counter depth refrigerator makes your house look better, adds the quality of your kitchen, and makes your house worth more. That's the number one reason why you want counter depth. Number two, it's more efficient from a space standpoint. This is a counter depth refrigerator. As you can see, it looks great. It only comes out to the depth of the counters. And a counter depth refrigerator, it's not as deep. The inside is much more efficient. We all lose stuff in the back of our refrigerator. Because it's counter depth, everything's accessible as opposed to having something that's way deep in the back and you lose. So even though it's not as big from a space standpoint, it's much, much more efficient from a space utilization standpoint. So you really don't lose that much space when you go with counter depth. And then the third thing is it gives you more space when you open the refrigerator between you and whatever's going on in your kitchen. Counters, people, etc. Counter depth is the way to go. The prices have come way down on counter depth. It's a far superior look, and it's going to improve the value of your home, and it's much more space efficient from a utilization standpoint. So come in and get a counter depth refrigerator at Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom. We'll get you a great deal.